exploding trees cold over here, but it's still pretty cold. Welcome back. Happy belated 2026 New Year's, I suppose. We're a little late on this. We've been busy. In this video, I'm gonna yap a little bit. First thing we're gonna do is cover what's to come with the V. Hasn't moved in a few weeks because of this. Oh, that's awkward. Because of this. Alright, I got some cleaning to do still, so that is what it is. We pulled the Supercharger apart, obviously have the snout off of it for a couple things. Obviously we're putting a smaller pulley on this. And we're putting an interchangeable hub on it so I can go up and down pulley size as I want. I had plans to show you guys this whole process of me working on this, but honestly I did this late at night, music blaring, just trying to pump it out, you know, and basically me wrenching. I know that's got a place for some people, right? But it's not really what I'm trying to do on the channel. So I'll put some clips here, and I'll put some clips in right now, show you guys kind of what was going on. Other than that, I mean, like I've said a million times, this isn't like a how-to channel. I'll do my best to like show some stuff that's like important and whatnot, but I am definitely not your guy to learn some stuff from. Okay, I'm just here to have fun through and through, you know. That's the last thing I want is somebody's like, oh, I just watched your video, did it step by step like you did it, my car blew up, and then I'd probably responded, me too, brother, I just haven't released the outcome of that yet. But when we cracked the Supercharger open, I realized it was full of oil, not like dangerously full of oil, but we obviously have some crazy blow-by going on, so I will have to order a catch can, but that's for later on. Actually, let's just go through the parts over here. Haven't opened it yet, probably should, see if I need to send it back, but this is a CNR heat exchanger. That'll be going on here pretty soon. Oh, where's that at? Not that, this. Had a blunder. This thing's crusty. It's supposed to be flexible. Not anymore. That thing, RIP. Had to get a new one. We're also swapping out the isolator with a solid isolator. Still deciding if I'm gonna reinforce the brick. Probably should. I know that homie in the comments, I know you're probably gonna watch this too. He's been wanting me to reinforce that thing since day one. He's been on me about it, so hey, appreciate you. That's lit. Got this doohickey for the tune coming up. Got our mother trucking injectors on tap here. Should probably just steal all the stage because we about to knock that out anyway. And then something else I'm probably forgetting. Oh, and then basic stuff. Obviously, we got a nice handy dandy oil change. Gonna throw some AMS oil into it. Shout out Tamor for getting me that. We gotta do some spark plugs too. But aside from that, this thing hasn't moved in a while. And actually, the last time I drove is right after we resanded the headlights, refinished the headlights. So if you look on the front here, it's still got the powdery substance from the sanding residue all over the front end and the splitter and whatnot. And it's just extremely dirty and it hurts me to look at it. But I mean, when it gets running and stuff, we're gonna take care of that. The most important part is that my boy Chase, Vance from Customs, all right. Anyway, he's taking care of my Supercharger snout and pulley because obviously I don't have a press. I didn't want to do the whole heat and shrink method and whatever. I just wanted to do it legit. And so I took that off during Christmas break and gave it to him. He was struggling. He told me that his first puller he used broke trying to get that pulley off the snouts. Yeah, that info alone made me realize that I did the right choice, or I made the right choice by giving that snout to him for him to take care of, because your boy would not have been able to work that out. I'd have been using the torch and beating on it and probably breaking other stuff that didn't need to be messed with. But anyway, he's got that all situated up. But that's basically where we are, or where we're at now with the V. Got a tuner lined up. He's ready to drop the tune right away. So this thing will be chug-a-lugging pretty soon. And I'm looking for not a significant boost increase. I mean, some of you V guys that are watching, or even the Camaro dudes that run these LSAs and this blower, I mean, I'm sure, yeah, they got a better knowledge than I do on it. But from what I've read, it's only going to pick up like 3 or 4 pounds of boost but that could be super substantial. You know, that could be crazy. Most of the mods here are safety mods. I mean, I could have just threw a pulley on it and sent it, but you know, I want the heat exchanger so I can play with it for a long time. The injectors, obviously, so I don't run out of fuel. The isolator, so that doesn't give out. Just wanted to run an update on the V, where we're at, what's to come. Big plans, huge plans. We got some wheels ordered. That's fantastic. They should be hopping off the boat here in like a couple weeks, I guess, because they're from China. Also, on top of the update, I wanted to run over my 2026 goals. Now, they aren't super huge. I just want a Porsche 918 Spider. I'm just kidding. I would like to become monetized. Basically, for the main push for this channel for 2026, well, obviously, we want the V up and running. We want this thing doing some cool stuff on the track and in the street. That's probably the main goal. Following that is having fun. Well, and producing good content, better every time. I want to increase with every video I do. So constructive criticism is definitely encouraged. I'm a big fan of that stuff. 1,000 subs. That's obviously the first milestone, the big goal. The watch time, it'll come, and it's already doing pretty good for the amount of following we have. So I appreciate everybody who's been consistently watching, and anybody that's new, that's popping in. Say hi. Say what's up in the comments. You know, we're still young enough that you know, we can see everything. And that's awesome. So, you know, interaction's dope. Appreciate it in advance. Yeah, aside from that, more long-term goals is I would like to completely fund, well, I want to build a drag and drive car. I really do, like a legit one. I don't want to go too spicy with this thing because I really like it and I want to still be able to drive it on the street regularly. But I want something a little crazy. You know, I'm not going to release the plans for what I have in mind right now, but there's something in the works. Just pen to paper, kind of, you know, brainstorming some stuff, and I think it's doable. I think it'll be cool. So definitely gonna work on that. That's something that'll come with time for sure, depending on the progress of the channel, how quick we grow, how successful we work stuff, and how smart I am with stuff. So that last one's a big deal. Kind of an idiot. We're about to start slapping mods on this thing, get it back on the road, and it'll be awesome. Like I said, I know it's been a long month without your boy. Where was I going with this? Hit that sub, hit the like if you liked it. I know this one's probably a little different, a little stale because of the whole yapping the whole time. You guys want to see some crazy content, some go fast moves and whatnot. I don't know. Summer's coming, it's right around the corner, so we got some plans to go fast, do some cool stuff. So that's gonna be all for today. Hope you smiled.